What's up everyone, this is Kenny here, and today I'm actually at Ampang. We're going to try this Tok Yun restaurant. Actually, not try lah, I've been here before. It's actually a very old place and they are very famous for their chicken rice. So let's go. This is the main road, Jalan Besar Ampang. And when you come, it's a one-way street, right? So when you come, it's on your left. This place is known for their chicken rice. So let's go. I'm not sure if they're still serving. Oh yeah, still got. So to get to that open area under the overhead, under the highway, is this. When you come, right, you keep to the right because you need to turn and go in there. Okay, so don't try suddenly serve. Dangerous because there will be cars on your left. So keep to the right. The moment you come in from that road there, just come in here. You keep to your right, and then give the signal. Go in there and park. Okay, then you can come and have your lunch here. So this is their menu. There's a new section there. Okay, that section also is going to be renovated. Their menu. So you can see a lot of people actually come and just order here for takeaway or grab. This is actually the shop beside. Look at how they renovated the place. Beautiful. Beautiful wall. So this is what I've ordered. This is the salted mustard vegetable. This is the braised egg and tofu. And this is the white coffee. White coffee, okay lah. So the interesting thing is that they give you as much as you want. This is the chili, the usual chili. And this is the mashed garlic. So you can mix and match as much as you want. It's all up to you. Okay? It's a small saucer here for you. So I'm waiting for my chicken rice to come. The soup is already here. So my chicken rice is here. Smells great, man. I've ordered the chicken breast and drumstick. So you can actually choose the parts okay, on the menu. So chicken breast and drumstick, and I asked them what's their recommended. They have two types, poached and roasted. They say most people order the poached one, so I just follow most people order lah. Nice smell. So let's try the chicken rice first. Just the plain rice, okay? Fragrant. The taste is good as well. You can actually taste the chicken in the chicken rice. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of the poached chicken to go with my rice, okay? Okay, very good. Smooth, tender, nicely poached. The sauce is fantastic. Now I'm going to just try the chili. Okay. Just the chili with the rice. There is the chili here. Not spicy. It's more of a sour taste. Not that spicy at all. So next up is the braised tofu. We've got egg here. I'll just take a little bit of tofu, put it in the rice, and let's go. Black sauce aside. Braised egg. Nice. It's good. Okay. Sometimes like when you have chicken rice, you have this mustard and also mustard vegetable that they sweet and sour. Actually this one they give you the sour is supposed to meet your appetite, right? So you can actually order this together with your chicken rice. Some shops they do sell this. Not that many actually. I don't see many shops sell this. So you just put a little bit on the rice. Fantastic. I can understand why they've been in business for so long. Okay? The chicken is good. The rice is fragrant. Chicken smooth, tender. I like their braised pork. Actually, all these are good. And I also like that they actually allow you to take as much as you want, condiment according to your taste. Right? They're not stingy with the condiments. Some places you go, they're very stingy with their condiments. So now I'm adding some garlic. So if you are around the corner, especially in Ampang, come early because this place actually sells out very fast. So I'm here for lunch. I came about 11:30 and people are start crowding the whole place already. So as usual, come to restaurant Loke in Ampang for their chicken rice. I will leave the location down below so that you can check out the location, check out this place. Alright? This is Kenny here and I'll see you again in the next video.